YouTube? It's your boy Akar back with another video. I bleached my locks 3 times and they're to my shoulder length, and as you can see, they are mad healthy, bro. I always get compliments on my locks. Here's how I haven't had any problems with them. Boom. So first things first, I started my locks about 3.5 years ago. It might be 4 years now. It was like October of 2021, like that. But I think I went about 8 months until I dyed my hair completely. It was either 8 months or a year. I dyed it. I'm probably gonna put pictures in this so I can show y'all. It's gonna be right here. You feel me? I dyed it. I'll put like a boom after, like, you know what I'm saying? This would look like first, and then after, dyed it. Boom. After I dyed that time, actually it was dyed by my friend. It wasn't even dyed, it was bleached. I bleached it. My hair took well to it. I did it. My friend did it actually, and she doesn't even really do hair for real. Like, she does, but she don't do hair. You feel me? But yeah, bleached hair. Shout out to her. Her name is Nee. If you keep up with like YouTubers and shit like that, y'all probably know of her and shit. But yeah, e-bikes behind me. I gotta get one, bro. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I gotta get one. That'll be tough if y'all just saw that. I ain't gonna cap. In the blurry background, that's crazy. But definitely gotta get an e-bike soon. But yeah, and then after that, I think I wait about another year or two, and then yeah, it was about another year, and then I dyed it again. But that time I bleached it and dyed it. You feel me? So I bleached it. Now I dyed it red. It was like, it come out as a ginger, but it came out as like a fucking, like a cinnamon red almost. You feel me? It was not no fucking ginger. But that was a cool look. I did that right before I moved to LA, probably like a week or 2 weeks before. I think it was like a week before. Yeah. And that was done by one of my other friends. She did my hair. Shout out to her. This was all free too, mind you. I was getting my hair done, dyed, all of that for free back at home. I got haircuts for free, all back at home. Now I gotta pay for shit, bro. This shit is ass. But yeah, got my shit done by her. Shit was tough. I ain't gonna lie. I really fucked with that color, but I didn't know it was gonna wash out. So eventually that color washed out. And then grew a little bit more. Fast forward to now, which was a year and a half. It's been a year and a half since I moved here. Almost a year and a half. No, yeah, I think a little over a year and a half. But yeah, fast forward now. Actually, when I got it done, it was a year and a half, cause I got it done in like May. Yeah, got it done then, and this is how it looks now. Still I got it professionally done. In this video, I'll actually say how much I paid for it, because yeah, and I'll say I'm gonna probably make another video of me talking about me paying that much to get my hair done, and how I'm never doing that again. Even though it's good, it was just way overpriced. LA is insane. But I paid $400. I think I paid $405 exactly. Retwist and 3 sessions of bleaching. It was professionally done. She did a good job, because as you can see, my shit still look like how I looked beforehand. You feel me? Still feel the same and all of that. Like, of course, right after you get it done, it's gonna be a little dry. You feel me? But if you maintain your shit and your hair, you know, builds dirt, and you don't strip your hair of its natural oils and shit like that, then, you know, you're gonna, you feel me, be good. But yeah, that's basically a little summary of like my journey. Basically, throughout that time, the things that I was doing to like basically keep it maintained and have it like as healthy as it is right now, is first things first, I would wear a bonnet. I feel like, no, this is what I know. Most of the stripping of your hair happens when you're asleep, and your head against the pillow, and that friction, you feel me? And right after you dye your hair, it's in its driest state, you feel me? Because it's just been through a whole bunch of manipulation, you feel me? And we all know bleach dries out your hair. That's when the most breakage happens. So you have to, like, your hair has to build its natural oils back up and get it to the point where it feels like your hair again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, nigga. If you're not wearing a bonnet, your shit gonna break. Like, and it's gonna look crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Another thing, oiling your scalp. Nigga, oil your scalp, oil your hair. Really just after, like, you don't have to, like, keep spamming the oils, I'm not gonna lie. But after you get it dyed and retwisted and shit like that, oil your shit up. No diddy on that, but oil your shit up, nigga, like, for real. Another thing, whoever is your hair needs to know about bleaching and what conditioner to use and what products to use in your hair while it's happening. Like, they have to do it right, or it's gonna fuck up your hair. And also the timing has to be right. Like, that shit keeps sitting in your head for too long before you take it out. I'm pretty sure a lot of niggas know that, but for people that don't know that, now you know that. You feel me? Make sure you're using the right products. Make sure whoever's doing your hair knows what to do, knows how to do it. Even if you gotta look up some videos beforehand, some information beforehand, like, look that shit up. You know what I'm saying? Get your shit right. You feel me? Get your shit right, little brother. So sometimes your ends will get, like, thin, or they'll start to break. And also, like, if you know, like, your locks have, like, this shit here, like, where it's popping out a little bit. Even if you have never dyed your locks before, you have that. But sometimes these pieces break off. You can trim it. I know some people trim this without dyeing their hair. You feel me? Also, you can trim the ends of your locks. Me personally, I like how this looks. You feel me? That doesn't look bad in my opinion. But some people's does look bad and looks very unhealthy. So sometimes you gotta trim the ends. You feel me? So it's healthy. You know. Just depends on your hair, how your hair takes the products that is being put into it. I'm not no fucking hair guru. I'm just a nigga with locks. You feel me? And these are just the things that I do know from the people that have done my hair and other people that have locks and shit like that. So yeah. Yeah, that's the video. But the last thing I want to say is that bleaching doesn't kill your locks. It's just more so how you maintain it. Like, bleaching don't kill your hair at all. Like, niggas always say that shit, but it really don't. It can. Like, we all know that shit can. Yeah, but we all know that shit can, but it doesn't, though. Like, that's not going to happen. It's not a for sure thing that's going to happen if you fucking bleach your locks. You feel me? And I feel like that's like something be surprised about. Daddy, come here! And it's not true. You feel me? Yeah. That's this video right here. I hope this video helped out somebody. I know I suck at explaining shit, but I'm just a nigga with locks. You feel me? I'm just a nigga with locks. I'm not no fucking guru. I ain't the best explainer in the world, nigga. I'm just a nigga with a camera that like to make videos. Niggas is still back there riding their e-bikes. I need one, bitch. Just a nigga with locks, with tough looking locks, you feel me? With the likes to make content, YouTube and all of that. Young fly nigga, you feel me? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's just what I know about locks, you feel me? If there's anything y'all know about locks, drop that down in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? We could all help each other out. Especially, I know it's young niggas out here, probably in high school or about to be out of high school. That's really like what they want to do with their hair. They think they want locks. They don't know what to do. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm just here to, like, yo, nigga, like, I know this, bruh. You feel me? So yeah, I hope the video helps somebody out there. Yeah, bruh. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. If you think about getting locks and been thinking about it for a long time, I say get them. You feel me? And it's hair, nigga. You can always cut it and do whatever you want with it afterwards. You feel me? So I'll catch y'all boys in the next video. It's your boy Akar signing out. Peace.